everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. I'll be showing you how to send bold text messages on WhatsApp in today's tutorial episode. Watch the video till the very end to learn how, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go to your WhatsApp application and tap open it. Now tap on the green button located at the bottom right. Choose a contact to send the bold text to. In the text field, type in the message you want to send. Start your message with the asterisk sign and close it with another one. After you're done, tap on send, and that's how you send bold text messages to your contact. Similarly, you can try strikethrough, monospace, and italic as well. To strike through your message, type in the tilde on both of the sides, just like that, and send your message. To monospace your message, place 3 backticks on both sides of the text. For example, let me show you how. 3 backticks on the front, type in the text, and 3 more at the end. That is how you can change the format of your text message on WhatsApp. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.